Hi, I'm Patricia McCleese from the Greater Rochester Rotary, and here is another four-way test. This time it's about an activity that we did with high schoolers and third graders. We worked with some students at an alternative learning center to discuss the four-way test and the application of the four-way test in solving dilemmas. They were given a variety of dilemmas. They came up with solutions, and then they used the four-way test to evaluate how ethical their decision was. We had them even do a poster of the four-way test in action. This was followed by working with some third graders. And we did this by using a book authored by a Rotarian in another club. And then they we helped them to create a lesson plan. We practiced teaching each other the lesson. And then they went into the third grade classroom, divided the class into small groups, read their story, did their lesson plan, and presented their four-way test posters in action. Now, the result of the activity, well, you can see the photo behind me of the students, the glow in their face. They were very pleased with the success of the activity. But as it relates to the four-way test, you could see the kids start thinking about those questions. They started actually being part of the conversation when we would talk about something. And I found that very exciting because it provided another tool that the kids could use going forward. You can't always get 100% yes on all of those questions, but you do have to decide what you can live with, what kind of ramifications would be okay for you, no matter what the decision is that you're making. And then the third grade teacher told me that those questions the kids started using when something would happen in the classroom, and they would say, well, is this really good for everybody? Is this going to build better friendship? So it was a nice start in revealing the four-way test as a tool that children could use. So that's another example of using the four-way test. And thank you.